What is the best way to end a whole year of torture, stress? If it's not by clubbing, I don't know. We want to get food. We literally had to drop from our ride. Hello guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today is Sunday and I have a photo shoot planned with my friend. Today did not almost go as planned, but thankfully the plan is back on track. If you guys remember, in the last vlog I mentioned that I have a photo shoot, but I did not mention what the photo shoot is for. Anyways, girls, your girl is about to finish her NYSC. Ooh. My POP is on Thursday, which is the passing out parade. It is on Thursday and I am so excited. I'm grateful for the journey. I can't believe it's been almost a year since I moved to Jos. Oh my god, time flies. Anyways, I am doing a shoot for my POP. I'm doing it with my friends and today is the day appointed for our shoot. I was supposed to bring you guys along as I pack my bag, but there is no light. So I just packed my clothes, but I still have some other things to pack and I'll try to pack that with you guys. But anyways, right now I need to get my hair done. So the time for the shoot was supposed to be 2 p.m. But like I said, the plan almost did not go through. So we had to postpone it to 3 p.m. I want to loosen this cornrow and then put my hair into a ponytail. I have a ponytail extension and I also have like a French thingy to use in front of it. There is no light and I need to curl my hair. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I'm praying and hoping that they bring the electricity back before I leave home, so I'm able to do that. But anywho, that is the plan for today. Oh my god, you guys, look at the weather. Look at the weather. No way, oh my god. No way this is happening. It started raining. Guys, so they just brought back the light and I was able to straighten my hair, but the hair is literally not staying down. Like I had to braid it to try to keep it down because of my hair texture. But anyways, I already put my hair into a bun. I'm just going to attach the ponytail to this. This is my bag all packed. My shoes are here and I'm about to leave home now. This the other ponytail. Yeah. Hello guys, so we are done with the shoot. I had such a great time. Anyways, we are probably going to try to get dinner, eat together and then call it a day, but I had such a fun time. Look at the pictures and our pictures are so cute. Hello guys, so we are done with the shoot and it is still raining, but we tried to book a ride that will take us to Naomi's house, which is where we'll be spending the night because we still want to go out later tonight. But yeah, today was so much fun and I'm having fun under the rain. And these are the cowards hiding. The cowards hiding. Where is Esther? That is Esther all the way over there. Ooh, is it just me that like it when it is late at night and then the street light is on and the cars are driving by?
It's only you. I mean it.
It is so nice, like.
La persuade no route was the front.
We want to get food. We literally had to drop from our ride to get food. Ooh.
There's no progress.
You girls, come into the vlog. So we are dressed to go to the club because that is the best way to end a whole year of torture, stress. If it's not by clubbing, I don't know. Anyways, we are on our way to. We are actually already at the club. We're already at the club, but this particular club we came to, they said the club is not open today, so we are going to
Because we are not regular customers. We did not know the new club was something.
Oh my god! So now we want to try out another club which has an event today, so it is a win-win at the end of the day. But anyways, this is the fit for the day. Looking all cute. Good afternoon. Thank you. I know you like showing in my vlog, you just don't want to admit. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Guys, are you going to my house?
Não,